The UAG Plyo Pro case for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a standout option for those seeking a blend of style, durability, and functionality. One of its most impressive features is the anti-yellowing technology, which ensures the case maintains its clarity over time, a common issue with many clear cases. The translucent ombre design adds a modern, vibrant aesthetic with a seamless gradient that transitions between colors, giving your device a unique and contemporary look. When it comes to protection, the Plyo Pro doesn't disappoint. The airsoft corners provide enhanced cushioning against drops, while the raised screen and camera bezels offer added protection against scratches and cracks. It's also military-grade drop-proof, tested to withstand drops from up to 16 feet, meeting 3X military drop test standards, MILSTD 810G 516.6. This makes it a reliable choice for those who need robust protection without compromising on style. The case is compatible with MagSafe and other magnetic accessories, ensuring a seamless attachment experience for wireless charging and other magnetic add-ons. It also works with most third-party wireless chargers and Samsung Pay, adding to its versatility. The ultra-responsive, oversized tactile buttons provide a crisp, satisfying click feel, enhancing usability, while the integrated lanyard anchor points offer added convenience for on-the-go functionality. Overall, the UAG Plyo Pro case is a premium choice for Galaxy S25 Ultra users who want a case that combines cutting-edge design, superior protection, and practical features. While it's on the pricier side, the durability, functionality, and aesthetic appeal make it a worthwhile investment for those looking to keep their device safe and stylish.